Approximately 8 years ago, I lost a tooth, one of my front teeth. Obviously was concerned about how I was going to replace that tooth with something that you couldn't tell there was a new tooth implanted. I consulted with my primary dentist, who immediately recommended Dr. Lane. I then consulted with a second dentist who I knew in the area, who also had very favorable things to say about Dr. Lane. After the tooth was extracted, Dr. Lane placed an implant in my upper jaw and then put a temporary tooth in that in fact looked remarkable in its own right. So I left here after my first visit with a temporary tooth in place that was virtually indistinguishable from the original. My work requires me to do various forms of public speaking, and imagine having a gap-toothed public speaker, that really doesn't go over very well. So it was essential I had that tooth replaced as quickly as possible, and Dr. Lane did that. One of the real benefits about working with Dr. Lane is the time and care that he takes to explain the procedure you're about to undergo in great detail. And he's obviously very up to date on not just the procedures, but current technology, emerging technology. I actually look forward to coming here, and there's not many people who can say, boy, I'm really looking forward to going to the dentist, right? I think that it's very evident that everyone here cares about the patients and connects with people personally, and by doing so, I think they can detect where your personal concerns might be about a procedure, because not everyone's concerns are the same. I was extremely pleased with the entire procedure from start to finish, from the initial consultation, planning, placement of the implant, follow-up consultations after the tooth was put in place, that when it came time for my second and third implant, there was no question that I was going to return to work with Dr. Lane and his team. The quality of care, the quality of the final product, their availability at any time to answer any questions about the procedure was, I think, second to none. And I wouldn't go anywhere else to have an implant performed.